dear friends, how are you all? So today we are going to draw a small bunny. Let's draw it. A bunny have a carrot in his hand. Look at the eyes, they are looking so cute. Let's make ears. Here some detailing so the bunny look more good. Bunny is hungry. Therefore he is having carrot. And he loves carrot. Okay, now let's color this. Carrot is always orange, so we will color it orange. And these leaves green. And the bunny we will color it. Hey, look at the bunny, he's a walk. He's looking at us. How cute he is looking. After coloring, this is looking so cute. Which color do you like? Look, we are capturing pictures of bunny. Okay, now we are done. Now we will see you soon in the next video. Have a good day.